Give it a round of applause going for your next comedian coming to the stage. She's bringing some little perks with her. Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos.
Woo! Yeah!
Oh my god. So I can get everything situated for the talent. Okay, this one is Starleena. And this one is Gizmo. Okay. Are you ready, Starleena? Are you ready, Gizmo? And we're finally ready. And the bidding will start at... So we're Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos, and I am a dog momager. Yeah, dead serious, my dogs are working actors. They really are. And I am their bitch. But you know, at least they can pay for things. Like their food, their toys, and my Botox. So they can't see how jealous I look. Gizmo wrote that joke. You know, I actually don't have the heart to tell Gizmo that he actually paid for his own neutering. So when it comes to acting, Starleena plays a fierce diva. And Gizmo, he goes super method. Yeah, he gets so into character that for a whole month, he makes me call him Benji. So I'm diagnosed with PTSD and anxiety. So these dogs, they are my bodyguards. I feel like you want to hold one. That's awesome. Would you like to?
I don't want to steal your thunder.
Oh, she's not a pro. That's cute. No worries. Oh, yeah, they steal the thunder. It's okay. So, Starleena, decided to put a video online, and it instantly got 500,000 views. Yeah, it was of her at the vet. Yeah, we went on a walk, and she thought it'd be funny to eat something off the ground, like marijuana. Yeah, the vet knew instantly that she was high. And I was all like, well, how do you know? Well, when I walked into the room, she was trying to sync the dark side of the moon with the Wizard of Oz. Great! She is a true comic now. She has to take a 12-step program. I know, but she's got 4 paws. She'll do it in 6. Oh my God, the other day I got hit on, and the guy's like, hey, what's wrong? Come on, we went to the same high school. Yeah, but you graduated with my dad. He then said, I used to follow your aunts around in high school because they had really nice butts, like yours. I know. So I said, thanks. I got it from my dad. You should have seen the look on his face. It was the same look that Gizmo gets every time he gets his temperature taken. Oh gosh, I hate dating because the guys that always ask me out are married. Yeah, you know, the next time a married man asks me out, I'm gonna say, I can't. I'm already dating a married person. Your wife. Oh my goodness. So I'm in my 30s. Thank you for the one woo. It's actually a great age to live with your dad. I tell you, there's actual benefits to living with my dad. You know, I always have somebody to eat dinner with. There's Wi-Fi, and no man tries to come home with me. I hate dating. I really do. And my friends are like, good for you. Men are such dogs. They are? Oh, so my therapist said I need to work on not bringing my dogs with me. So, you know, leaving the house, going places without always having to bring them. So I'm looking for a new therapist. So we have multiple viral videos online, which is tough. Oh, do you want to tell the joke? Okay. Okay. You can tell the joke. So we have multiple viral videos online, which is tough because of the negative comments we receive. I know. Like, you putting dogs in clothes is abuse. You should be reported to the Humane Society. You should wear more makeup. You know, someone even had the nerve to write, "I hate that bitch." Gizmo is a boy. Gosh. So, people always ask me, "Jahnnalee, don't you want to get yourself a boyfriend? You know, someone who can pay for things?" No, I don't need a man for that. I'm an independent woman. I got both my dog's credit cards. Right, Gizmo? Can you do that? Oh, I wish I had it. I'm in the green room. I actually have their credit card. I do have their photo on it, and they're both smiling. It's very cute. It's very cute. But we're Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos, and unfortunately, someone's got to pee. It's me. Thank you for the heckle.
Yeah.